हांगा वेर्णा आसा आनी एक शॉकात गजाल जी आमकां कळून आयल्या की हांगा हे वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीन हांगा जायते गाडयांचे शोरूम आसा. एक ह्युंडाय शोरूम गोवा मोटर्स आसा, हांगा काकोलाचे होंडा शोरूम आसा आनी एका वाटेन JCB शोरूम आसा. आनी एक जी आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन आयल्या की हे तिनूय शोरुमान खंय तरी एक चोरट्याच्या गँगांनी खंय तरी चोरी केल्यो आनी तिनूय शोरुमान तांच्यांनी एटेम्प्ट केले, 2 कडेन ते सक्सेसफूल जाले अशी जी आमकां न्यूज आयकूंक येता की एक गोवा मोटर्स जे आसा ह्युंडाय शोरूम थंयच्यान अरावंड 2,37,000 कितें चोरी केले आनी हे जे फाटल्यान कोस्टल होंडा आसा तातूंत तरी एक 60,000 रुपया कॅश हे चोरट्यांनी लुटले आनी JCBचे जो शोरूम आसा तांच्यांनी फोडपाचो प्रयत्न केलो, भितर पावले पूण तांकां कांयच कॅश मेळिना. वेर्णा पुलिसान सद्याक तरी अननोन एक्युजडाचेर ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केल्ले आसा. फुडलो तपास चालू आसा आनी एक जे आमकां कळून येता की खंय तरी हे वेगळे तिनूय शोरुमांनी तांच्यांनी दारां ओपन करून सेक्युरिटी आसतना कशें तरी रातचे वचून भितरले सेफ काडून सेफातले पयशे काडून ते हांगच्यान फ्ली जाल्ले आसा आनी वेर्णा पुलीस जी आसा फुडलो तपास करीत आसा. PSI उत्क्रांतराव देसाय हाजी फुडली तपास करत आसा.
Opened, break the safe, removed the cash which was there, left the safe there and they have gone.
कितले अमाउंट कितें आयडिया?
आम्ही ऑलरेडी पुलिसाक सगळे डिटेल दिला आमचे कडेन कितें आशिल्लें कितें. इट्स ऑल बॅक्ड अप बाय द पेमेंट रसीट्स. So I think the total amount we have given them a statement of about 2,73,000.
Okay.
That's the total amount that has been given.
Okay.
And since our front cameras were not operative fully, what we understand, simultaneously the similar theft has taken place in Honda dealership, Coastal Honda, and the JCB showroom. But there they have given whatever the figures. I am not aware what figure, how much they have been there. But there also the similar situation. They also have the cameras. They also have the security. But one of the picture which they have been telling us is they were having some weapons in their hand. And the weapon म्हळ्यार आमचे कोंकणी भाशेन जे हे म्हणटा पळय कोयते, तसले शार्प कोयते आशिल्ले हातान खंय. That is seen on the picture. And the robbers have covered the hole. Only the eyes could be seen. All other thing was covered with the mask-like thing. And they have done the operation. So now we don't know how, in spite of the security, how they have done, whether they have threatened the security that if you do something, we are going to chop your head. We don't know anything. But it has happened. So we have immediately informed the police yesterday. Police have come with their forensic expert. They have done everything. All the investigation is going on.
Okay.
So we know for sure that it is very difficult to recover the cash. But we are of the opinion that the police should ensure that at least the culprits are caught. And from whatever observation, whatever information that we are getting, that first we thought it could be somebody from within the organization or the security people, because it is not easy for doing this sort of thing simultaneously in 3 showrooms. That means they must have come in a gang of few people. And from whatever it looks like that they are not from Goa, but there could be some miscreants creating these issues from outside Goa. That's what we are feeling.
Yes.
Apart from that, there is nothing that was damaged. They did not bother. They basically came mainly to, I think, see if there is any cash available. From whatever thing has been stolen in Coastal Honda also, the same cash has been taken.
वास्कोच्यान Prudent मीडिया खातीर विक्रम नायक.
Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.